Good morning, class. Today is 2nd July 2020 and today we will be starting the new topic, clauses. Chapter number 7 in your grammar candy, and write today's date, and this is chapter number 7 on page number 44 of your grammar candy. So let's begin. The definition of clause. Clause is a group of words that include a subject and a verb. It may be an independent clause which expresses a complete thought or a dependent clause which expresses an incomplete thought. कि जो सेंटेंस, जो क्लॉज हमें सेंटेंस का वो पार्ट जो हमें कंप्लीट सेंस बताए, कंप्लीट मीनिंग बताए, वो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज हो गया कि वो अपने आप में एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है. और जो जिस पार्ट को दूसरे वर्ड्स की जरूरत पड़े अपना मीनिंग को क्लियर करने के लिए, दैट इज सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज और डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इज यूजुअली अ सपोर्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. इट कैनॉट स्टैंड बाय इटसेल्फ. कि जो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है वो अपने आप नहीं खड़ा हो सकता, उसको इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज की जरूरत पड़ती है. इट इज अ सपोर्टिंग पार्ट ओनली. It may function as noun, adjective और an adverb. कि subordinate clause जो है, dependent clause जो है, वो noun की तरह भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है, adjective की तरह भी और adverb की तरह भी. Now clauses, there are two types of clauses, independent and dependent. You have to draw this in your notebooks. और डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज के आगे 3 पार्ट्स हैं, नाउन, एडजेक्टिव एंड एडवर्ब. सो नाउन क्लॉज. अ नाउन क्लॉज फंक्शंस एज अ नाउन. Noun clauses begin with the words such as how, that, what, where, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, etc. and why. It acts as a subject, direct object, indirect object or object of preposition. For example, what I expect is good behavior. The guard narrated how he escaped. Those 2 days of rest was what I needed. I will donate it to whoever deserves it the most. So all these highlighted words are, highlighted clauses are the noun clauses. Now underline the noun clause in the sentences given below. What he did is the clause. The Queen ordered that Alice should be punished for talking too much. That's a noun clause. The news. Now, it is an amazing, we were doing third sentence here. So, the Queen ordered that Alice should be punished for talking too much. Talking too much is the clause. The news that the criminal was punished, is the clause. It is amazing to watch how birds and animals communicate with each other. It is the clause. The village panchayat decided to boycott the criminal family. The report that Tibet belongs to China is a clause, is only a rumor. I want to know how far the station is from here. It's the complete sentence it's a clause. There is a strong possibility that riots will break out after the judgment. My sister, whom you met last week, is getting married next month. Whom you met last week is a clause. That is the truth, whether you like it or not. So now, let's learn about adjective clause. Adjective clause functions as an adjective. It modifies the subject of an independent clause. Like, the festival which is celebrated all over India is different in different forms is Diwali. Arjun, who knows a lot of people, helped organize the event. We are going to the beach that I like the best. Now, practice time 2. Underline the adjective clauses. Which is summer, which is hot and uncomfortable. That's the clause. The car that I liked in the showroom. This is the clause. Leela, who has worked with us for 6 years. It is the clause. Tina wore a beautiful gown, which belonged to her mother. This is the clause. People who do not eat fish find its smells quite unbearable. Who do not eat fish is the clause. The rat with its twitching nose is the clause. The ring which my grandmother gave me is the clause. The fruit that is grown organically, this is the clause. The kids who were called first, this is the clause. The pizza which most people love. Pizza which most people love is the clause. Now, adverb clause. The adverb clause function as an adverb. It is introduced with the subordinate conjunctions like, it answers the question like how, when, where, why, to what extent, under what conditions. Right? For example, when the ground trembled, everyone ran out of their houses. We saw the giraffe and its baby when we visited Alipur Zoo. Judy's report was adjudged the best because of its content and neatness. If I can make this a good presentation, I will get the next assignment. So all these highlighted words are adjective adverbial clause. Now underline the adverb clause. When you finally get home is the adverb clause. Whenever you see fresh dung is the adverb clause. When my father comes home is the adverb clause. I will allow you to go without paying if you do the dishes. This is the clause. I'm happy, although there is no particular reason for it. It is the clause. Since you are passing by the store, it is the clause. You must get into bed after you have changed into fresh clothes. It is the clause. If you pay your bills, clause. You will have a good credit score. Give us a call when you get back from your trip. This is the clause. The fireworks show will start after the sun goes down. This is the clause. She passed the course because she worked hard. Because she worked hard, it is the clause. If you save some money, it is the clause. You will be able to buy yourself a new brand board game. Now, let's do more. Underline the clauses and identify them as noun, adjective or adverb. This seminar is much better than the one we attended last week. Adverb. Miss Bindu is the teacher who taught us English so well. Adjective. This weekend we are free to do as we please. Noun. We will wait until Chetan returns with the news of their safety. Adverb. Meeta is the person whose entire life has been dedicated to working for unfortunate. It is adjective. Whoever bought this crumbling mansion must be very rich or very foolish. Noun. This pastry is far more delicious than the one you made last Christmas. Adverb. Your irresponsible behavior is the reason why I have to visit your principal today. Adjective. Sorry, this is not adjective, this is adverb. This is adverb. The aim of the project is to get more people to join us. Noun. The dancers are getting ready while this act is about to come to an end. Adverb. Now complete the sentences given below with the clause as instructed in the brackets. We walked towards the village when our car broke down. Mandy will call the taxi after getting ready. Because she saved the children from drowning, she was awarded a medal for bravery. Mandy, who is an army soldier, just reached the border. Monday is the day that most people don't like. Dhawan is the hero who has worked in more than 20 movies. Do you know what I need? His biggest quality is that he is very humble. Humble. See here. You can see the spellings here. Humble. I wonder, how has he passed the exam? Right? Now tick the correct option. The story you just narrated. All students wish they had a magic wand, which did their homework. Sorry, number A will be the correct answer. To do their homework. I do not know what the future holds. I want to play with whoever is good in badminton. The restaurant that serves authentic sushi is not far from here. People who are rude can never be popular. Eco-friendly cars that run on electricity save gas. Women took notes while being taught to cook. Since you have apologized, you will not be punished. She is so tired that she could not stand. Okay, that's all in this grammar candy. So, your today's homework is to do the second chapter of Bravia. This is your Bravia. So, do the second chapter, the phrases and the clause. Both the chapters we have finished in grammar candy. So, this chapter you have to do in Bravia. All the exercises. There are 8 exercises, very small exercises. So, you have to do this chapter for today's homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.